Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the phone so changes show immediately. First, pick a case that complements your style, clear for color, leather for polish, because the case frames everything. Once chosen, set a bold wallpaper, high-contrast images create depth, and live wallpapers add motion. After that, declutter. Hide unused apps and rely on the app library. This keeps the home view clean and focused. Make sure to back up before big changes. That way you can experiment without risk. You now shape the interface to look intentional. Add widgets in 2 sizes for a visual hierarchy. Place the most useful widget top left so the eye rests there. Then create 3 to 4 themed pages, work versus social versus media, and place matching apps and widgets on each page so each tap feels curated. Once done, configure focus modes to automatically switch pages and lock screens. This enforces the aesthetic and reduces notification noise. Make sure widgets align neatly for a polished, consistent look. You finish by polishing details that make the phone feel bespoke. Replace icons with a single color palette using shortcuts, batch process replacements to save time, because consistent icons unify the whole look. Tweak the lock screen, change font, add a small widget, enable depth effect and a subtle live photo for life. Finally, test transitions and pick wallpapers that complement case color. If something breaks, reboot the device, reapply the shortcut icons, or restore the home screen layout to recover quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.